Hello everyone. For a long time, I have been wanting to make donuts. I made donuts a couple of times. They did not turn out the way that I had wished they would turn out. But today I'm going to make a plate on a Krispy Kreme donut. And let me just tell you, I've already made donut holes and they were delicious. So if you have a snacker in the house like I do, this is going to be a pleasure. Don't look for these donut holes to be, or donuts to be round, because of course I go against the grain and I don't like round donuts. Not when I make them. Now, if I go somewhere and eat them, yes, but I'm making square. Oh, and what am I going to fill the donuts with? These are berries that were about to go bad in my refrigerator. I had some strawberries and some raspberries and some blackberries, and I just put them all together and made myself a little jam. So that's gonna go in there. Oh, this is gonna be so delicious. Come on, let's do it. Y'all know I'm choosing joy. Sitting overnight, this is what it looks like. Ooh, let me go get my hands all cleaned up and get my surface ready and roll them out. Okay, I'm a little bit impatient, so let's go ahead and bite into it. That is ridiculously delicious. Oh my gosh. All these years I've been going to buy these donuts, I could have just been making them myself. Don't forget to like, subscribe, tell others about this channel. Why? Because we're not only choosing joy, we're spreading joy as well. And y'all gonna make some donuts. Whoa.